Learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Maseches Kesubos Perik Yud Gimel Mishna Gimel. So we are now going to learn the 7 things that Admin said. He was the second of the Dayane Gezeres in Yerushalayim. The first of the 7 is, it's going to be over the next 7 Mishnayos. The first of the 7 is in Mishna Gimel. Admin Omer Shiva Misha Meis V'hiniach Banim Ubanos Bizman Shanachasim Rubim Habanim Yarshim V'Habanos Nizainis. If someone left over sons and daughters, so just as a hakdama, sons get Yerusha, that's a din d'oraisa, and banos need to get mizainis from the property of the father, which is now yarshin to the sons, that's from the din Kesubos midirabanan. So bizman shanachasim berubim, if there is a lot of property, which the Gemara in Baba Basra explains in one of 2 ways, either is enough for 12 months for the sons and the daughters to have mizainis, or that there's enough for the sons and the daughters have until the daughters become a begeris, until they no longer get fed mezainis from the property. So if there's enough, basically there's enough for the daughters, so then habanim yarshim, the banim yarshin, and the banos nizainis, and the banos get mezainis. And that's obviously a pasha de halacha. That's not a chiddush at all, because the banos have enough to get their mezainis, and there's still enough left for Yerusha for the children, for the sons. But when the chasim muatim, if there's not enough money for mezainis, so then if you give all the property to the daughters, the sons are going to left with no Yerusha at all. So the Mishnah says, afal pikein, that's what you do. Habanis yizainis, the banis get mezainis, v'habanim yachzer al psachim, the banim get nothing. Literally means they're going to have to go door to door to collect their mezainis. So Adman Omer b'shvil shani zacher sadati, because I'm a male, why are the woman any better? So Abaye and Rava explain this in 2 different ways. Abaye says b'shvil shani zacher v'roi lasik b'Torah, because I'm a zacher and isik b'Torah, that's why I get less. Rava says, what does learning Torah have to do with the rights to get the mezainis? So he learns that b'shvil shani zachar v'roi lerish, because I'm a zachar and I have a din Yerusha d'oraisa, so that's why I should get less. At least I should have the same halacha as you, and therefore Admain is tining that they should be equal. The son and the daughters should split the mezainis equally. Pashtus in the Mishnah, Admain is arguing, but Taisus Rabbeinu Tam says that Admain is not really arguing. He's just being metameh in the svara, what would be the reason behind it. Gamliel says, I agree with Admain. So Pashtus again, it means that Admain is chelik, or it just means I agree that there's a good kasha over here. Why is the halacha like this? Mishnah Dala, the second thing that Admain said, so the hakdama to this is that there's a chi of shvua midaraisa in the Torah if someone is moida b'mixes. Nahainu vam tevei you 100 and you say that I only owe you 50. So the halacha is you have to swear that you only owe the 50, and then all you'll pay is the 50. So the other halacha is, the hakdama is that it has to be dafka mimin hatayna. So if I tevei 100 and you're moida half of that, which is 50. But if I'm teveya you apples and you're moida on a totally different thing, on oranges, so then there would be no moida shvuas moida b'mixes, even though you were only moida on half, let's say half of the value. So the Mishnah says, let's say atayin is chaver kadei shemen, I'm teveya you pitchers of oil. So all that sounds like is I'm being teveya you oil. V'hoida b'kankanim, and I'm moida to you in the pitcher. So the tzvi is on oil and the haida is on the pitcher. So it's not mimin hatayna. Admin omer hoil v'hoida b'mixes hatayna yishava. Yet Admin says no, it is considered mimin hatayna. What's the svara in Admin? He held that when you say kadei shemen, it includes not only the shemen, but it's also the kadem as well. So he's being teveya 2 things, and then the haida is only on the kankanim. The Gemara explains that he'll swear on everything because migu de mishtaba akankanim, you also swear on the shemen b'Torah as gilgal. The chachamim aimer no ein zo haida mimin hatayna, like we said, moed b'mixes has to be mimin hatayna. Over here it's not mimin hatayna, so there's no shvua at all, and you would only pay the kankanim that you're being moed, but without a shvua. I agree with Admain.